Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Tesla Model X, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging park, and chalking wheels before lifting any corner. Use a high-capacity jack rated for the vehicle weight and place axle stands under manufacturer-recommended lift points. Remove lug nuts in a star pattern after initial lift and lower carefully and slowly onto stands while checking stability at each step. Gather the right tools before you start so the job stays smooth and safe. Use a high-capacity jack, 2 sturdy axle stands per corner, and a torque wrench for final tightening. Inspect stands and jack pads for damage, and place a rubber pad between jack and pinch weld to protect panels. Keep a breaker bar for stubborn lug nuts and a clean work light to clearly see lift points and fasteners. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like so we can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy while crawling under cars or waiting for a lift. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, it supports the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by locating official lift points in the owner manual and visually confirm them on your vehicle. Position the jack and lift only until stands fit easily, then set stands and slowly lower the car onto them while watching for any shift. After the car rests, give each corner a gentle push to confirm stability before working, and maintain clear communication if you have a helper nearby to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.